this advanced air base in the Pacific, planes of the RNZAF are in for overhaul and repair. Today, the spotlight on the Pacific Air War is swinging northwards, and New Zealand fighter pilots are bagging more and more zeros. They owe part of their success to the ground crews who service their planes. These men are doing their share in helping to dish it out to the Japs. Keeping the planes in fighting trim isn't easy here, but they overhaul them thoroughly from prop to tail wheel. Day after day, attack after attack is being pushed home against Japanese bases, aircraft carriers, and shipping. In every raid, the pilots depend on their machines for their success and for their lives. Nothing is left untested nor undone. A broken screw, a loose bolt, a worn thread may give a Zero a chance to escape. The men who keep the planes up to scratch don't get the satisfaction of shooting down the nips, but the pilots depend on them. Every detail is checked. The radio has its specialist too. Bumping about in dogfights doesn't improve the plane's radio. Now some of the planes are finished, with their engines running sweetly. The boys okay the sound of the motors, and everything gets a final once-over before they move off for a workout. Running down for a takeoff with everything turning smoothly is proof of another job well done. The ground crews turn them out ready to batter the Japs again, ready to help sweep the road to Tokyo.